Hello everyone, I go by 2Peps. I wanted to get on here to show my gratitude to Alpha Capital Group. Back in April, I purchased a challenge account and my name got entered into a drawing. Now they're still doing this. So my name got entered into a drawing and I won. What did I win? I won a gaming chair. I won a gaming computer, which is pretty fast, and a nice large 34-inch curved monitor. Now with this computer, which is colorful by the way, it has the little LED lights, it comes with a remote, you can change the colors. It came with a colorful mouse, keyboard. The keyboard is colorful, and the mouse pad. And get this, I got a sound bar that has the color as well. So you should be able to see the pictures after this. And if you haven't purchased the account, trust and believe your time is going to come. Just keep doing it. Be persistent as you shoot for these dreams. You might get some free out of it. So again, if you haven't, purchase your accounts, guys. Support these folks. They are the real deal.